And in other news, we are still in the camp of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, after say omo appointing on board of directors, omo started omo appointment. Ah, next season, omo the year because they don't have time. Kotoko doesn't have time to waste. And you see, new board of directors, are appointing David Obeng Nyarko as a new sporting director for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yes, David Obeng Nyarko, formerly of Nana Yaw regime, was part of Nana Yaw regime, and he has been appointed as sporting director for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nti no, yɛhwɛ deɛ ɔno nso ebitumi de aba because new sporting director deɛ, odwumadie no bi sɛ signing of players, nti this time no, Kotoko yɛpɛ quality players aba team no mu na Kotoko atumi aperform better. Nti David Obeng Nyarko, we wish you all the best as at your new role as the sporting director for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And some way I make a Pepe and filler or the buyer, the Pepe can be brave if I David Obeng Nyarko and a new role I the amano was Asante Kotoko as a sporting director. Umi and go to Richard Suarez Pepe abra na or Casafa Richard David Obeng Nyarko appointment as sporting director. Umi and go to Richard Suarez.
Starting from Monday, Nana, your book was yada ebe you got a series of appointments.
Yes.
Na board no, they made sense as much as someone you make with them.
Wow.
And the moment the season never bury ye na or a being your was. Matis a likely sir former public relations director. No, a branch manager under the name David Obeng Nyarko. Matis David Obeng Nyarko, a bit my Kotoko sporting director.
Wow.
David Obeng Nyarko. Matis Obetumi Ababaye Asante Kotoko sporting director. You know, he worked under Nana Amposa management, under the board of Dr. Kwamichi. Na so David a free Asante Kotoko no. Oni Nana Amposa zo mko ye adwuma bi kura zo mko to team dey team no. So omako to team e wo Europe baby. Moldova. Any atia. Na story we was upon meti yache. But and a man was a David supposed to fly a bit. After a nearly 3-year media hiatus, I am back. Let's talk football. Let's talk King Sports. And now, what you know, Kabiru Mamifa, and there's one flyer. Why not flyer? Okay, unya idea Mamifa. Was also true. I said with the moment. A decade ago, I made a commitment to the football industry. And what it will be born on am the only I said this is only the beginning. I look forward to sharing more about the vision, projects, and operations of King Sports LLC very soon. My auntie yes, Kotoko board no person about the bar as one sporting director. And said American story minya yache but na manya because one Nana Amponsa make say he's not coming. And then me try so say David he works with Nana Amponsa when the cat or acknowledging Nana Amponsa it's Sports Arena TV. ABA YouTube channel and ACBP. Okay. The street is watching studio. There's a Minia DJ Slim Sports Arena TV and a sports yes. on Facebook or YouTube and I'm social media. And flyer one-on-one interview, David Obeng Nyarko, CEO, King Sports LLC on Sports Arena this Wednesday, 20th day of May 2026. Me who wait, I'm saying, hey, does it have any link with Nana David coming back to Kotoko as a sporting director? Nah, because that is the information that we got. We ran a bit back as the sporting director of Asante Kotoko. We and I hear a lot of conversation between the board and the personalities involved in this discussion. Board no omo akofeda sisi a omo appoint board secretary. Board secretary. Oh wow. And in fact, board secretary no initially na IMC no omo ne the special assistant to the board chair na edi Nkitahone and Sawoso. Sisi a debate maka say conversation here between the board secretary, but he has not been announced. He has not been announced, but or a lawyer or no ena or more appointing or no standing between the board and the IMC. The discussion be a course be a board no a PBBA or more edit FA or so. Samson IMC so a PBA. One at the far board also. Nasan Comodine of the penny to me. So as we speak, that is what we know that the board secretary know. And so from Monday, your board game is Sunday, we are. Any capacity or the issue statement to be. Nana Pinkra any capacity or the issue statement to be. The only people who work for Kotoko are those who are the administration. And no crowd, they made a new board, no person appointed a new administrative manager. Wow. The Kotoko board person offered new administrative manager. Na Echeseminya Richard Osiakuto, our administrative manager. No, ABA, meaning say, obinya different portfolio. And now say, a human na ABA, before for being replaced now. Matese. Administrative manager position, no board no may employ a new person. And my bitch mo added that say Kotoko board no person mufa sa head of sports sporting department.